Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. If you're looking for the best doubled-in car stereo to upgrade your driving experience with smart features and smooth connectivity, you're in the right place. Today we're checking out something powerful and easy to use. Let's get started. Let's talk about the Eflemore doubled-in car stereo. This system is designed to bring your car into the modern world with better entertainment, smarter controls, and safer driving. It combines a bright touchscreen with wireless connectivity, so everything feels simple and fast right from the moment you start your car. One of the best things about the Eflemore doubled-in car stereo is its wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. As soon as your car starts, your phone connects automatically. You can open maps, play music, send messages, and even use voice commands without touching your phone. This keeps your focus on the road while still staying connected. The Bluetooth 5.3 feature makes a big difference in daily use. It gives you clear sound for music and stable calls even in busy areas where many devices are connected. Calls sound clean and music plays smoothly without annoying drops or delays. Another useful feature is the MirrorLink support through the USB port. You can connect your phone, charge it, and mirror your screen at the same time. This is perfect when you want to show videos or apps to passengers during long trips. The radio system is also very smart. It supports both FM and AM with RDS technology, which automatically finds the strongest signal when you travel between areas. You won't lose your favorite station easily. Plus, the emergency warning system can interrupt normal radio to deliver important alerts, which adds an extra layer of safety. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright and easy to use. With its high resolution and wide viewing angle, everything looks clear from any seat. It supports full HD video and smooth touch gestures, so navigating menus feels natural. The anti-glare coating helps you see the screen clearly even in bright sunlight. In terms of design, the Eflemore doubled-in car stereo looks modern and clean. The screen size is perfect for most dashboards, and the build feels solid. It comes with helpful installation guides and wiring support, so setting it up is much easier than you might expect. In real life, this stereo makes driving more enjoyable. Whether you're commuting, taking a road trip, or just running errands, you get better music, easier navigation, and safer communication without distractions. This product is ideal for drivers who want a smart upgrade without making things complicated. It's great for daily commuters, road trip lovers, and anyone who wants a more connected driving experience. Don't miss out on this upgrade. Check the price link in the description and see if it's the right fit for your car. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome finds. See you in the next video.